Hello. This time, I would like to introduce the built-in Windows screenshot tool Steps Recorder. I think this tool is relatively unknown and useful tool, although it can be used without additional software installations. To use this tool, search the application by typing PSR, and you will find the application named Steps Recorder like this. Click on it. This is the Steps Recorder. This is the expanded one. To start the recording, click here. Now, let's take some actions to record. This operation doesn't mean anything. It is just changing the mouse speed, in order to record by Steps Recorder. Stop the recording by clicking here. This is the output by Steps Recorder. Screenshots were taken for each action, click, drag, select, and so on, with comments. This part is the detail log of each action. The build version of Windows and executed program names can be found here. To save this output, push this Save button. The output is saved as zip file that includes MHT file. Let's check the saved file. Open this MHT file. In my case, Internet Explorer was automatically used to open this MHT file. The content is like this. By the way, it was not possible to just copy the picture and paste it to, for example, PowerPoint. It was necessary to save it once from the context menu Save Picture As, in order to use the picture in other softwares. Although it is not easy to handle MHT file, it is the nice tool to take screenshots, isn't it? It is not necessary to take screenshots one by one manually, when you create the guide for example. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please check my other videos and subscribe this channel, if you like.